Hello, my name is Keith Brown. I'm with Daycom Service. Welcome back. Today we're going to walk through clearing jams. On most of the machines, it's kind of intuitive because it will display on how to clear a jam. We'll get you a little more of a close-up view of that. All right, so typically it runs through a short video on what problems you could be having. If you'll notice over here on the side, it opens the door. It says the paper's jammed between the top part. We know right now that we can see it right here. So typically what we'll do, and it looks like we might have another piece caught too because it's showing A. So typically what I would do is open the side door like it said. If you can see it on this side, it's better to pull it this way, as opposed to if you can only see the trail end. If you pull it backwards, sometimes it will catch on the fingers. Typically, so always try and pull it the direction of paper. Thanks. Hope this helped. If you have any more questions, you can call us at 314-442-2800, or you can visit our website in the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips. Thank you.
Subscribe for more tech tips or visit us at daycom.com to learn more.